Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Misra. Today I am going to explain you chapter set of class 11th topic first, and I will solve all the questions, and I will explain the related theory with questions. Okay, now the first question is, which of the following is set? Which of the following are set, and justify your answer. Then the first one is the collection of all month of a year beginning with letter J. Okay, now firstly we have to say, is it set or not? Is it set or not? And after that we have to explain it by justifying the answer. Okay, this one is set. According to me, this one is set. This one is set. The collection of all month of a year beginning with letter J. Why? Because first, the what is set? First thing is, what is set? The set is the basically collection of well defined and distinct object. Set is a collection of well defined and distinct object. Can you define this question? Yes, the collection of all month of a year beginning with letter J are January, June and July. Only there are 3 months in a year which started from the letter J: January, June and July. Since we can arrange these in specific order according to their position, because January comes first in a month in a year, and June and July rest of all behind January. That is why we can directly write like this, and this is well defined and distinct group of object, hence it is a set. Now the second question is the collection of 10 most talented writer of India. According to me, this is not set. This is not a set. Why? Because person to person it will vary. Just like for me, the 10 most talented writer in India are Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru, he has written some books just like Discovery of India, and Jaisankar Prasad, and Tulsidas, as so on. The 10 most talented writers of India is according to me like this. Maybe if you will choose 10 most talented writer of India, there could be different things. That is why there could be different name. That is why this is not well defined distinct group of object, hence it is not a set. The third one is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of world. This is also not a set, because according to me the test best cricket batsmen of India are Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, as so on. But according to Australian, there could be the players of Australia, the 10 best cricket batsmen of the world. It means from person to person, the definition of 10 best cricket batsmen can be changed. That is why this is not well defined and distinct group of object, hence it is not a set. Let us check in answer. Here is written, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world is not a well defined collection, because the criteria of determining the batsman talented may vary from person to person. Suppose that my best cricketer is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. If we will compare the centuries of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, we will definitely find that Dhoni has less number of century compared to the other. Just like Virat Kohli has more than 30 century, Rohit Sharma also has more than 30 century. But according to me, the Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the best cricketer of the world. Hence, the determining the batsman talent is vary from person to person. According to me, according to you, there could be different. Hence, it is not a well defined object. Hence, it is not a set. Okay. The next question is the collection of all natural number less than 100. This is a set. Yes, this is a set. Collection of all natural number less than 100. Why? Because the collection of all natural number less than 100 is according to me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 99, and for you there could be same. For anybody in the world, the collection of all natural number less than 100 will be from 1 to 99. There will no changes. Hence it is well defined and distinct group of object. Hence it is a set. written here in answer, written here, the collection of all natural number less than 100 is a well defined collection because on one can definitely identify a number that belongs to his collection, that belongs to this collection. Anybody can definitely identify. Now the next question is the collection of novel written by Munshi Premchand. The collection of novel written by Munshi Premchand is well defined and distinct object, hence it is a set, because here is written the collection of novel written by Munshi Premchand. If there will be the collection of most best novel, the collection of best novel, if here will be the collection of best novel, then it will not a set, because since there is only asking about the collection of novel written by Munshi Premchand, then the novel written by Munshi Premchand is according to their publication, according to their number of pages, and this will be same for anybody in the world, for any library in the world. Hence it is a set. A collection of novel written by Munshi Premchand is well defined collection because one can definitely identify a book that belongs to this collection. Anybody can definitely identify that book, any book. If are going that in a library of Lucknow, there will be same number of books if you will find all the books written by Munshi Premchand. Or you are going to Australia, and there is also a library where all the books written by Munshi Premchand are available. Then the both have the same number of books and both have same number of pages in each book. Hence it is well defined and distinct group of object. This is a set. Now the next question is the collection of all even integer. This is the same like this. This is also a set. The next question is the collection of all question in this chapter. And the collection of question is this. This is same as in your book in any CBSE board of class 11th. There are same number of question and in same order. That is why this is well defined and distinct group of object. Hence this is set. You can directly write like this or you can copy from here. Okay. The last one is a collection of most dangerous animal of the world. The collection of most dangerous animal of the world according to me, the most dangerous animal could be like snake, tiger, lion, elephant, rhinoceros, dinosaur. There could be different, but according to you there could be different number of animals, dangerous animals. Hence it is vary from person to person and nobody can definitely identify the same number of dangerous animal like my or anyone. That is why this is not well defined and distinct group of objects. Hence it is not a set. Let us check in answer. The collection of question, the last one is here. The collection of most dangerous animal of the world is not a well defined collection because the criteria of determining the dangerousness of an animal can vary from person to person. Hence this is not a set. This collection is not a set. Okay. Now the second question is here is a set. You have already studies in class 8th, 9th and in previous classes what is set. That is why I am not going to explain you briefly how to write a set, but if you are willing to know, then I will explain like this. If you are going to write any set, you have to make a curly bracket and write something in this curly bracket. This is going to be a set. Like this one is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the set of all natural number less than 7. Now there are two symbols. This one is for belongs to, this one is for belongs to, and this one is for not belongs to. If somebody asks that is 2 belongs to A? 2 belongs to A? Yes, 2 belongs to A. If somebody asks that 10 belongs to A? No, this does not belongs to A. This is the same type of question. Question number 2. Let us check. First one is 5 belongs to A. 5 belongs to A, yes or no? 5 dash A. we have to put this symbol here, sorry, this symbol here, we have to put this symbol here. 5a, 5 belongs to a, 5 belongs to a. For the second one is 8 belongs to a. No, 8 does not belongs to a, because in this set there is no 8, there is no 8. That is why 8 does not belongs to a. This is a symbol of, this is a symbol of belongs to, and this is a symbol of does not belongs to. This is a symbol of belongs to, and this is a symbol of does not belongs to, does not belongs to, belongs to. Now you can do all rest of questions by yourself. Now the third question is write the following set in roster form. Now there is a thing to understand, what is roster form and what is set builder form. What is roster form and what is set builder form? Suppose that A is a collection of object, and this one is -3, -2, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a collection of well-defined and distinct object. Yes, but which type of collection? I can see here that this is a group of integer, because integer consists all natural number including 0 and all natural number left hand side to the number line. It means this is an integer, this is an integer, and this integer is more than, this integer is more than minus more than, sorry, this integer is more than -4, this integer is more than -4 and less than 7. We can write like this: this integer is more than -4 and less than 7. And if we are going to write like this, this one is roster form, this one is roster form, and this one is set builder form. If I will write here x such that x is an integer and comma this one. The same question is here. A, x such that x is an integer and x is more than -3 and less than 7. X is more than -3, more than -3 is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is a set in roster form of set A, because x such that x is a, this symbol is known as such that, means x is like x is an integer. X is a basically integer where this all integer are less than 7 and more than -3. It means there could be right here A in roster form -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. This is the solution of this first question. Now the second question is, this one is in set builder form. This form is known as set builder form, and we have to write in roster form. Now B is a set where, now starting with curly bracket, x such that x is a natural number less than 6. X such that x is a natural number less than 6. Less than 6 means only up to 5, and natural number is starting with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be the answer of second one, B. Okay, now the third one is C. X such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. X such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of its digit is 8. How many 2-digit numbers can you write where the sum of digit is 8? We can write, the first one is 80, 71, 62, 53, 44, 35, 26 and 17 and nothing else. We can write these one are the set of 2 digits natural number such that sum of digit is 8. 8. Check here. 7 plus 1 8, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 3 8, 6 2 8, 7 1 8, 8 0 8. We cannot write 0 8. Why? Because this is not two digit number, because 0 is before 8. Okay, the next one is x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. X such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Now what are the numbers which is divisor of 60 and prime number? Now we can copy it from here. We can copy it from here, these, because we have to factor. Then x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. We have to do factor. 60 is here and do like this. 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, 2 3 5, 2 2 3 5, 2 2 3 5. And since I have explained you the set is a group of well defined and distinct object, here is two objects are in the same kind, then we have to write only one time. The set will be D is equal to 2 3 5, because we cannot put two same kind of object in a set. There is not allow the same two kind of thing in one set. Okay. In the next question, E, the set of all letter in trigonometry. Since I have explained you the set is a well defined and distinct object, it means repetition are not allowed. If I am going to write a present in letter in trigonometry, then we have to write like this. E is equal to, within a curly bracket, T R I G O N. O is two times, then we have to write only one times because repetition are not allowed. N M E T is already present here, that is why we will not write T. R is already present and only rest is Y. This is the group of letters in word trigonometry. This one is your answer. Check it. Now the next question is the set of all letter in word better. Same kind of question like question E. We have to write the same question is F within a curly bracket, B E T R. Only we have to write 4 letter in this set. Why? Because E is 2 times here and T is also 2 times here. The both have repeated here, and in a set repetition are not allowed, then we have to write like this. This one is your answer. Okay. Now the question number 4 is very important question. The set builder form can be write in various method, because it is dependent on you which type of theory you are going to write. Okay. Now the next question is question number 4. This is in roster form and you have to write in set builder form. This is going to be your answer. We have to write, this is the multiple of 3. These numbers are multiple of 3. That is why I am going to do like this. 3 could be write like this, 3 into 1. 6 could be write like this, 3 into 2. And 9 it could be write like this, 3 into 3. As on 12 is equal to 3 into 4. Here is 3 common. And 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural number. Then we have to write like this. X such that x is equal to 3n. X such that x is equal to 3n, where n is a natural number, because we have multiplied the 3 always with 1, 2, 3, 4, and these numbers are natural number. Then x such that x is equal to 3n, comma, n is natural number, and the value of n is only more than equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. Also we can write like this. x such that x is equal to 3n, n belongs to natural number, and n is less than 5. N is less than 5. We can write like this, because natural number less than 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4 only. We can write like this also within a curly bracket. Okay. Now the next question is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now the next question is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. How can we write like this one? This one could be 2. 2 is basically 2 to the power 1. 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2. 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3. 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4. It means 2 is a common for the all, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural number. Then we can write like this: x such that x is equal to 2 to the power n, where n belongs to natural number, and n less than because here is only up to 4, n less than up to 5, and less than 6. We can write like this, or we can also write like this: there could be equal or less than 5, and equal or more than 1. Both have the same answer, and you can write in both method. Then I am going to explain you again. You can write x such that x is equal to 2 to the power n, where this n is belongs to natural number, and all the n are more than or equal to 1, and less than equal to 5. Also you can write here where n is less than 7, because n belongs to natural number, less than 6, n belongs to natural number, and natural number only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6, it means we have to write up to 5 only. Now the third one is yes, 5, 25, 125, 625. 5 is basically for 5 to the power 1. 25 is 5 to the power 2. 125 is 5 to the power 3. And 625 is 5 to the power 4. Now it means here could be write x such that x is equal to 5 to the power n, where n belongs to natural number, and n here is up to 4 times, then n is less than 5. N is less than 5. Or we can write like this. N is, let us write in the same form. Let us write in the same form as written here. Yes, where n is more than equal to 1, and less than equal to 4. And more than equal to 1. It means the value of n could be 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay, because natural number consists only 1, 2, 3, 4, not 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3. Natural number never consists this type of numbers. Okay, now you can do these all questions by yourself. I am going to explain you question number 5. Okay, list all the elements of following set. Okay, the first question is of question number 5. This is set builder form, and the element of this set is basically in roster form. Set builder form is given, we have to write in roster form. Here is written x such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number are basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on up to infinity. This is the natural number, and in this natural number this one is odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. We have to write only odd numbers, then we will use this number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, as so on up to infinity. Then x such that x is an odd natural number, and here is not written any criteria that odd natural number should be between this or this. That is why we will use odd natural number from 1 up to infinity. Up to infinity, positive direction of number line. Number line consists all natural numbers in right hand side. That is why we will write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, as on up to infinity. The next one is b. The next one is b. X such that x is an integer. X such that x is an integer, and n is more than minus 1 upon 2 and less than 9 upon 2. More than 1 upon 2 and less than 9 upon 2. Firstly, we have to convert it in decimal form so that we can compare. This one is 0.5. Now the number more than 0.5 is minus more than 0.5. The number could be 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, minus in minus form. But here is asking only about the integer. Integer are only the numbers which have denominator 1. Integer are the numbers which have denominator 1. That is why we will use the number more than 0. Minus 0.5 is on the number line is 0. Here is minus 1, minus 2, and the minus 0.5 will be between minus 1 to 0. Here is minus 0.5. If somebody is asking for the number more than 0.5, then more than 0.5 is 0. This one is integer. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after 4 we cannot write, because here is given that n should be less than 9 upon 2, and the value of 9 upon 2 is 4.5, and we have to write the less than value of 4.5 on the number line basically for the integer, and less than 4.5 is 4. 4.5 is not an integer. Integer is either you can write 4 or 5. 5 is more than 4.5, hence we will not use 5. We will write up to 4 only. This is going to be your answer. I hope you understand. Now the next question is x such that x is an integer. X such that x is an integer where x square is less than or equal to 4. X square is less than or equal to 4. It means integer is integer. We will use 0 we can write also minus positive all the numbers. We can also use all the numbers. Okay. Now we can use 0. 0 square is equal to 0. Is it less than 4? Yes. We will use 1. 1 square is 1. Is it less than 4? Yes. We will use 2. Is it 2 to the 4? Is it less than 4? Here is exactly equal to 4. Not less than 4, but is exactly equal to 4. Okay. We will use 3. Square of 3. Is it less than 4? No. This one is not less than 4. Therefore we will not use this. Now we will check minus 1 square is equal to 1. Yes, it is less than 4. Minus 2 square is equal to 4, because minus plus. Also this is less than 4. Minus 3 square will be plus 9. This is not less than 4. Then we have to use these 5 number, because written here x square is less than or equal to 4. Either it could be less than or it could be equal to 4. Then we will use minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This is the group of objects according to this question. This is in row set builder form. This is in roster form. Okay, I hope you will do all the rest question by yourself. Just like this is simple question, x is that x is a month of year not having 31 days. You can count on your finger that which month is having 31 days, which month having not 31 days. This one is just like this is your thumb. This is your thumb, and if you will make your fist like this is your hand. Now how will you count which have 31st month, which have 31? This one is January having 31st days. February, this one is February, not 31st days. March 31st. April, not 31st. May having 31st days. June doesn't have 31st days. July 31st days. Again August 31st days. September 30 days. October 31st days. November 30 days. December. It means here is only February, April, June, September, November. February, April, June, September and November. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a year having less than 31st days. And if somebody will ask, then how many months in a year less than 30 days, then there is only 1 month, February. And February, since there is only one object in a set, then this set is going to be said singleton set. If there is one object in a set, then the set is said to be a singleton set. If there is no object in a set, then the set is said to be a null set or empty set. I am going to explain you after this exercise, but now this match the following you can write by yourself. Match the following. I am going to explain you some of the questions. Just like match the following, left hand side having roster form and right hand side set builder form. Okay, the first question is 1 2 3 6. 1 2 3 6. 1 2 3 6 is the x such that x is natural number. X such that x is a natural number of divisor 6, or either this could be or this could be. Let us check. X such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. No, prime number only which can divided by itself only, and 6 is divided by 2 and 3 both. That is why this is not going to be the answer of this one. Here is this first one could be matched with C. Now 2 and 3, x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Yes, this is divisor of 6. In mathematics, this one is going to be match. And for 1 3 5 7 9, this one is an odd natural number less than 10. Fifth is related to B, third is related to D, second is related to A, and first is related to C. Okay, I will explain you the from 7th question in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.